Hey guys, welcome to brand new series by Rise and Shine on web development using Angular or Angular. Just Angular. So Angular is open source web development framework developed by Google and supported by the TypeScript language which is developed by Microsoft company. So welcome to this video series on web development on Angular. This is very first session in this video series with title Introduction to Angular. So without wasting your time, let us start Angular. The agenda of this very first video is what is Angular, why we learn Angular, what are the various features of Angular framework, and this session concludes with some example or some website which is using Angular or developing Angular. I will show you some UI apps, some websites which is developed in Angular. So let us start and go Angular. Very first thing, what is Angular or what do you mean by Angular framework? So Angular is a client-side TypeScript framework for developing dynamic web applications. The very first thing, what do you mean by dynamic web applications or dynamic internet applications? Dynamic web applications means the applications in which data and information will change with respect to time, location, and user. For example, www.gnews.com, where data and information changes with respect to time, or www.weather.com, where data and information changes with respect to location, or www.facebook.com, where data and information such as the photos or comments by the user, that is data and information changes with respect to user. So to develop such a dynamic web application, Angular is used or Angular framework used, and Angular is client-side TypeScript framework. So now we will see one by one. What do you mean by client-side? What do you mean by TypeScript framework? Or what do you mean by a framework? Why we call Angular as a framework? So next we are going to see Angular is a client-side framework or why it is a client-side. As this image explains you, the Angular is a client-side framework, means using which we can develop the application which execute at client side. So client side framework means such a framework usually executes the application in web browser and rendering the HTML or hypertext in response to the user actions with the applications or user responses with application. So Angular framework is used to develop such client-side application which executes in web browser on end user devices such as laptops, tablets, smartphones, and desktop computers. So Angular is a front-end development framework used for building mobile and desktop application. It is a cross-platform framework. That is, using Angular, we can develop the application for various devices having different shape and sizes and which run on different operating system. Next, Angular is a TypeScript framework. Angular is a TypeScript framework means this framework is developed using one of the scripting language or open source scripting language called as TypeScript. So what is TypeScript? TypeScript is an open source scripting language which is developed by Microsoft, a big giant in computer industry. It is not a new scripting language, but it is a superscript to JavaScript language. That is, it supports the more feature than JavaScript. Unlike JavaScript, it is strictly typed language. That is, declare the variable, you have to declare it with some data type. So our JavaScript is a loosely typed language. That is, we can declare a variable or use a variable without a data type. So it is superset of JavaScript, and it is strictly typed, means it supports data types. Along with data types, it supports object-oriented concepts such as inheritance, polymorphism, data binding, data hiding. Also, it supports the concept of modules, lambda expression, and many more features, so that it has a more programming capability in HTML web pages as compared to JavaScript. So Angular is open source web development framework developed and maintained by Google, and it is based on TypeScript language. So Angular is a TypeScript framework. Again, Angular is a framework. So what do you mean by framework? Framework means it has runtime library plus runtime environment. That is, both the components are available at runtime. When we are developing a code or executing the code, these libraries and environment are available. So Angular is a framework, runtime library, runtime environment. What do you mean by runtime library? Runtime libraries means Angular has a predefined module, so many classes, within that so many functions. So due to such predefined module, classes, and function, it is very easy and simple to develop any web application, or using which development becomes simple and easy. Runtime environment means the live develop. This Angular provides live development server, using which we can execute our live code, the code which is under development, to visualize our application look and feel of how our application is look like. There is no need to host the web application and then we can see the or visualize our application. So Angular is a framework with runtime library and runtime environment. Next, we are going to see why we learn such framework like Angular, or why we should learn Angular. So we will see henceforth in this session why we learn Angular. So to answer this question, first we will understand the traditional approach of front-end development or web development. All of you know the front end of any web application or website is developed using HTML, CSS, that is cascading style sheet, JavaScript, and some people are using jQuery type of libraries, JavaScript libraries, to include the dynamic portion to our web application or to front end. So in traditional approach of front-end development, static portion is HTML, CSS, dynamic portion is JavaScript or jQuery type of library. All of you know such a JavaScript and jQuery we are embedding in HTML code, and when such HTML code is loaded, automatically JavaScript is also get loaded. Then it manipulates the HTML elements on a web page, or we can call these as DOM elements, or it can manipulate that DOM tree to achieve the dynamic functionality according to user response or user interaction. So this whole scenario is traditional approach of front-end development, or it is called as traditional model to develop front-end. But this approach or this model is having these drawbacks. That is, in this traditional model, pages get reloaded for each and every request from web page. And due to this, it consumes a lot of time to reload whole page, and it get user experience distracted. That is, user get distracted from this loading, and user experience automatically get down, and user will not stay on your website or web page, or such a website is not a selling one website. So it affects your business. So solution to this problem is single page application model or a SPA model. So there are so many frameworks which support such single page application model, such as Angular is supporting this SPA model, or React is supporting SPA model, Vue is supporting SPA model, or Knockout is supporting such SPA model. So Angular is one of the framework, or which is a popular framework nowadays in industry, which supports this single page application model, in which instead of whole page get loaded into a web browser, the some portion of web page get rewritten, and it consumes very less time, and user experience is not get distracted due to such model, or this user experience problem get resolved. So to develop the web application which supports such SPA or SPA model, we have to learn the Angular so that we can develop the application or website which supports such SPA. So why? Next, we are going to see why our Angular is so popular. Angular is popular due to its generic feature and some technical feature. So what are the generic features of this Angular framework? The very first generic feature is cross-platform. Means using Angular, you can develop application for devices with any shape and sizes. Using Angular, you can develop application for any operating system. With Angular, you can develop progressive web application also, mobile web application also, or desktop web applications also. So Angular is cross-platform framework. Next, Angular supports high speed and optimum performance, or it has high speed and optimum performance. High speed means the loading time of application which is developed using Angular is faster than any other front-end framework in the industry. So you can render the code in HTML and CSS and have the first view of the application on any other platform like Node.js, .NET, and PHP. So Angular redefines the modern JavaScript virtual machine by turning the templates into code so that this loading time get reduced. Next generic framework is Angular application is for everyone. For everyone, we can develop Angular application, or using Angular, we can develop applications for everyone. For example, using Angular, you can develop or create a high-end animations also with low code. Low code is another feature of Angular. Or Angular has more than 11 built-in testing modules to ensure error-free code, or we can remove the bugs and create a error-free code. Using Angular, one can develop the accessible applications. Everyone, including people with special abilities, can use such applications. So Angular applications are for everyone. For everyone, we can develop Angular applications. For everyone, Angular is useful for each and everyone. Next, it supports single page application. Single page application, we already seen this concept. The single page applications are web app that load the single HTML page and dynamically update the pages as when user interact with the web application. Best example is www.gmail.com, in which our left hand side menu is always constant, and at right hand side we can load any page such as inbox, outbox, or anything we can reload on that page. So single page application, and Angular is full featured single page application framework with the help of which we can develop single page application. So SPA whole page is not reloaded for each and every request from web page, and such SPA model is supported by Angular framework. So these are the generic features of Angular framework: cross-platform, high speed, optimum performance. It is for everyone, low code, and single page application model is supported by Angular framework. Next, we are going to see Angular technical features. So these all are the technical features For time being, you just remember these are the features of Angular. When we again revisit this concept in this video series, I will go more deeply in that feature, or I will explain you what do you mean by these features. Till time, you just remember these are the technical features. For example, Angular suppose MVC architecture. MVC architecture means model view control architecture. We can develop application in three-tier type of thing, that is model or application. Model, business layer, view, application layer, and control layer. So it supports this MVC architecture. A two-way data binding. Angular supports two-way data binding. That is, we can move the business data from model layer to the view layer, or again from view layer to model layer. So two-way data binding is there. With Angular, we can develop the application with less code framework. That is, there is no need to write the code to connect the view and model layer, or use less code, the programmer can express their concepts. So Angular supports the less code type of technology, or it is a less code framework. Angular has its own Angular CLI. It supports that Angular CLI, Angular supports CDK, and Angular Material Code Development Kit. Angular support visual scrolling feature. Angular support dependency injection feature. And Angular supports also the directives, or special type of directives are designed in Angular. Or as Angular version changes, more and more feature is also get added. Current version of Angular in market is Angular 9. So every version there is a new feature get added in the Angular. So what do you mean by virtual scroll, dependency injection, Angular directive, or Angular CLI, or Angular material? So I will explain you this concept when we again visit this concept, or we will go more deeply in this Angular feature in upcoming session. For time being, you just remember these are the technical features of Angular. Next, we are going to see the few websites that are using Angular, or which is developed using Angular, such as YouTube for PS3 is developed using Angular, or PayPal is also using Angular, iStock Photo, JetBlue, the Freelancer, or The Guardian, the Lego.com. So many websites are Samsung Forward, Microsoft Office front end, BMW Finder, Dealer. So many websites are using Angular or developed using Angular. So putting everything at one place, or summary of this lecture is that, moral of story is that, so Angular is a platform to develop a dynamic web apps, and this framework or platform is developed by Google, and it is supported by Microsoft TypeScript. So two big giants are supporting this Angular. So this Angular has a great future, or it will be in a market for a very long period of time. So guys, thank you here. Thank you for listening this video from Rise and Shine. So to view more and more such technical and academic videos, kindly visit or kindly subscribe to our channel Rise and Shine, which is having the videos from KG to PG and from stotras to syntax. Till time, thank you very much guys. Keep watching, keep listening.